Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can enable night mode and super slow motion on Samsung Galaxy A50. It came on yesterday's update, but you won't find this option in camera. You have to enable it, and I'll show you how to do that. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. To enable night mode and super slow motion on Samsung Galaxy A50, you just have to press the camera icon and go to app info, then storage, then clear cache and data, then close the app. Now open the app, then you will see this night mode and super slow motion option. I haven't tested it. I will let you know how good it is when I test it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you're new to this. See you in my next video. Bye bye.